Hello, welcome to Dubai Trains. Today I want to quickly show you how to set up a consist with the NCE cab. It's really easy.
Let's do a little consisting. I feel like building a consist. Let me get in another little locomotive to help us with that consist, because you're going to need 2 locomotives, at least, for one consist. One thing to be noted, these 2 locomotives have already been speed matched. That's going to be a prerequisite if you're making a consist, otherwise we'll just destroy your locomotives. So I intentionally left a little gap in between so you can see that the consist actually works. So how to set it up, it's very easy. That's why in the end I actually chose NCC, because it just shows you what you should do. So consist, we got setup, clear, add, delete. I want to set up consist. Setup. Do you want an advanced one, an old one? I don't know, I'm just going to press enter. Consist address 127, fantastic. Lead locomotive. This is the lead locomotive, it's the first one, number is 7080. I'm just going to add in 7080. Enter. Is the direction of this locomotive facing forward? Yes, it is. So, enter. Rear locomotive, 565. 565. Enter. Is the direction of this locomotive facing forward? Yes, it is. So, for people who don't know, diesels often are faced with the noses, with the forwards facing out. So independently of the direction they have to travel, the engineer can just go to the cab on the other side, and then he'll always be sitting at the front of the locomotive going forward. When you press enter, then you should see the locomotive does a small jolt in forward direction, just to confirm that it's working. So now we have the first locomotive and we have the last locomotive. Do we want to add another one in between? In our case, no we don't. So I'm just going to press enter, and it's done. We got consist with the leading locomotive 7080, and there it is. So now let's move forward. As you see, increasing the speed, and there they go. Doesn't that look nice? Come back in, I'll just decrease the speed.
Now let's clear this consist after the short message.
This video was made possible by ABR Model Works, providing kits and accessories for all model railroaders. Looking to support the model railroading community? Check out the Dubai Trains Patreon page.
And now I want to clear the consist, so I just press clear, kill consist, I think it's just enter, no, clear, kill consist, oh the number was 127, so enter, and there it is, it's gone. Now I can just recall from the locomotives to show you that they are working again independently. Just as easy as that.
So for a full review of the NCE system that I have, please see the video here on your screen right now. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.